Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the explode command making objects disappear using the latest easy method. This is a great way to repair your vanishing drawing blocks on your current setup session, so your lines stay right where you can see them. Let's get into it. Step 1. Check and turn on all your hidden layers. The first step is to open your main layer control list and make sure every single drawing folder is turned on and visible, because your shape pieces might be jumping onto a hidden row when you break them apart. Move your mouse pointer to the top of your screen, click on your main layer drop-down menu bar, look at the row of icons that look like tiny light bulbs, and click any dark bulbs to turn them bright for the latest session. Make sure every single light bulb icon, sun icon, and padlock icon in the entire list is clicked open and glowing brightly. Because a grouped block can be made of lines that belong to completely different layer categories, you have to open up all these views for your latest project, so when the block breaks apart, the single lines have a visible home to land on. Without this step, if the lines jump to a folder that is turned off, they will instantly seem to vanish from your screen canvas. Step 2. Change your active text level options. Next, you need to type a quick tracking command into your bottom bar to tell the program how to handle text notes and dimensions when you smash a combined item. Click inside the empty typing box at the bottom of your screen, type the words "Anno all visible," press the Enter key on your keyboard, type the number 1, and hit the Enter key one more time for the latest task. Watch the bottom notification row to verify that the setting value has successfully changed from 0 to 1. Because if this hidden visibility switch is left turned off during your latest work, the software will automatically hide any measurement lines or text tags that don't match your current screen scale. By turning this rule to 1, you force the system engine to show every piece of text regardless of its size rules. It ensures nothing stays hidden behind the scenes after you use your breaking tool. Step 3. Use the burst command instead of the regular explode tool. Now, instead of using the standard break button that wipes out your data, you need to use an alternative splitting command that preserves your text information perfectly. Highlight the grouped block on your screen with your mouse cursor, type the word burst into your bottom command row, and press the Enter key to run the tool for the latest fix. Click on the broken pieces after the screen blinks to confirm that your lines are separated but all your words and attributes are still completely visible. Because using the regular old explode command on a block with text tags will strip away the custom words you typed and revert them to blank placeholder names. By choosing this alternative tool for your latest project, you tell the computer to break the outer shell of the group while safely locking your words in place. It is the key step to getting the right output because it prevents your data from resetting to blank lines. And that's it. To stop your objects from vanishing when you break them apart in the latest version of your setup, you must first turn on all your hidden layers by clicking the light bulb icons to bright. Then you type "Anno all visible" and set it to 1 so your text stays visible on your screen canvas. Next, you select your block and type "burst" instead of "explode" to separate your shapes without losing your words. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.